Have you ever noticed how some people keep doing the same thing over and over again? Like that friend who never stops talking, or someone who's always forgetting their wallet when it's time to pay. Yeah, we all know people like that. And guess what? There's a really cool way to talk about these habits in English. Hey everyone, I'm Amin, an English teacher, and today I'll show you how to use the present progressive tense with words like always, constantly, and forever to make your English sound more natural and expressive. Trust me, this is gonna make a huge difference in how you talk about everyday habits. Let's get into it. All right, so we're talking about things that people do all the time, especially when it gets a little annoying or funny. Now, when we add words like always, constantly, and forever to the present progressive, we make these habits sound stronger, more emotional, or more exaggerated. Let me break it down for you. The first one, always. This one's for stuff that happens again and again, and sometimes it drives us crazy. For example, he's always interrupting me. You're not just saying he interrupts sometimes. You're saying he does it so much that it's frustrating. Constantly. This means something happens way too often, maybe more than it should. For example, they are constantly checking their phones during dinner. Like, seriously? Can't they just enjoy the food? And the third one is forever. This one adds a bit of drama. It makes it sound like the habit never ends. For example, you are forever losing your keys. It's like, how do you even survive? You lose them all the time. See what's happening here? These words add feeling to what we're saying. Let's check out more examples. Now, let's see these in action, because trust me, you're gonna hear this a lot in real conversations. The first one is annoying or negative repetition. She's always making the same mistake. Again? They're constantly talking during meetings. Come on, guys, focus. Exaggerated frequency. You are forever complaining about the weather. Like, will you ever stop? Surprising or unexpected behavior. He is always arriving late, even though he lives nearby. How is that even possible? This is how we make conversations sound more real, more emotional, and more fun. Okay, quick question here. Why don't we just say this in the simple present tense? Good question. Here's the difference. In simple present tense, it's neutral and a fact. She always forgets her keys. It's just a fact. But present progressive tense, on the other hand, adds emotion. She's always forgetting her keys. Now you sound frustrated or surprised. See? Same meaning, but different vibe. The present progressive makes it feel more real, like it's happening right now, and adds some emotion. So let's wrap this up. Using the words always, constantly, and forever with the present progressive tense lets you first show frustration and annoyance, express exaggeration for emphasis, and number 3, make conversations feel more real and emotional. And guess what? Now it's your turn. Yeah, drop a comment below using one of these adverbs in a sentence. I'll check them out and reply. Also, if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe and turn the notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.